Mastering the art of car interior detailing.
There's something undeniably satisfying about stepping into a clean, fresh-smelling car. However, achieving that level of cleanliness can be quite the challenge, especially for those of us with pets and kids. But fear not.
With the right tools, materials, and know-how,
you can transform your car's interior into a sanctuary of cleanliness and order.
Key tools and materials.
Before embarking on your car detailing journey, gather the following essentials.
Vacuum cleaner with attachments. Microfiber towels. Soft bristled brush or detailing brush. All-purpose cleaner or interior cleaner. Glass cleaner. Upholstery cleaner. Leather cleaner and conditioner, if applicable. Interior protectant or dressing. Detailing clay, optional. Applicator pads and brushes. 8 steps to detailing your car. Follow these 8 steps to achieve a showroom-worthy interior. Declutter and remove trash. Start by removing all items from the car and dispose all trash. Vacuum thoroughly.
Vacuum every surface, including carpets, upholstery, and crevices. Spot clean stains. Treat any stubborn stains with an appropriate cleaner and a soft brush.
Clean surfaces.
Wipe down all surfaces with cleaner. Pay special attention to high-touch areas like the steering wheel and door handles.
Clean windows and mirrors.
Use a glass cleaner and microfiber cloth to clean windows and mirrors for a streak-free shine.
Condition leather, if applicable.
Apply a leather cleaner and conditioner to keep leather surfaces supple and prevent cracking.
Protect and shine.
Apply an interior protectant or dressing to surfaces to protect against UV damage and add a subtle shine. Final touches. Reassemble the car, ensuring everything is in its place, and give it a final once-over to ensure perfection.
Top 10 best products for cleaning car interiors. Meguiars Ultimate Interior Detailer, a versatile cleaning and protection product for car interiors. Pros. Effectively cleans multiple interior surfaces. Leaves behind a non-greasy, UV protective finish. Pleasant odor. Easy to use. Cons. Scent may be overpowering for some users. May not be sufficient for heavy stains or grime buildup.
Chemical Guys Inner Clean. An interior cleaner and protectant designed to clean, condition, and protect a wide range of interior surfaces in one easy step.
Pros. Cleans, conditions, and protects in one step.
Anti-static formula repels dust and dirt.
Provides UV protection. Fresh scent. Cons. Can leave behind a slightly greasy finish. May require frequent reapplication. Armor All Original Protectant Wipes. Convenient wipes infused with Armor All's original protectant formula, designed to clean and protect a variety of interior surfaces on the go. Pros. Effectively cleans and protects interior surfaces. Compact, resealable package. Rejuvenates and restores the appearance of vinyl, rubber, and plastic surfaces. Cons. Less effective on stubborn stains. Scent of the product may be too strong or overpowering for some. 303 Aerospace Protectant. A premium UV protectant spray specially formulated to rejuvenate and protect a wide range of interior surfaces, including vinyl, rubber, plastic, and leather. Pros. Superior UV protection. Rejuvenates and protects multiple interior surfaces. Non-greasy, matte finish. Durable protection that can last for weeks or months. Non-toxic water-based formula that is safe for the environment. Cons. Higher price point compared to other options. Potential streaking. Car Guys Super Cleaner. A powerful all-purpose cleaner designed to tackle tough stains and grime on a variety of interior surfaces, including upholstery, carpets, vinyl, leather, rubber, and plastic. Pros. Versatile cleaner for multiple surfaces, including car seats and consoles. Powerful cleaning action. Pleasant citrus scent. Cons. Strong scent may be off-putting to some users. Some users doubt its effectiveness in preventing sun damage over the long term. Mother's VLR Vinyl, Leather and Rubber Care. A gentle cleaner and conditioner specially formulated to clean, condition, and protect vinyl, leather, and rubber surfaces.
Its pH-balanced formula safely removes dirt, oils, and grime while moisturizing and rejuvenating surfaces to restore their natural luster.
Pros. Gentle formula safe for multiple surfaces. Cleans, conditions, and protects in one step. Non-greasy, matte finish. UV protection. Cons. May require multiple applications for stubborn stains. Spray bottle packaging may be prone to leaks or spills during transportation or shipping.
Adams Interior Detailer. A premium interior cleaner designed to gently clean and refresh a variety of interior surfaces, including plastics, vinyl, leather, rubber, and metal.
Pros. Non-greasy, satin finish. Pleasant odor. Dries quickly without leaving streaks. Cons. May not be as effective on heavy grime buildup.
Some reported problems with faulty spray nozzles or leaking bottles.
Griots Garage Interior Cleaner, a specialized product designed to effectively clean and rejuvenate the interior surfaces of vehicles. Pros. Powerful cleaning action. Gentle formula safe for multiple surfaces. Leaves surfaces clean and refreshed without residue. Pleasant scent that leaves the interior smelling fresh. Cons. Higher price point compared to similar products. Not suitable for use on certain delicate materials. Requires additional products for conditioning or protection after cleaning. Weiman Leather Cleaner and Conditioner, a premium formula specially designed to clean, condition, and protect leather surfaces. Pros. Cleans, conditions, and protects leather surfaces. Non-greasy finish. Easy application. Pleasant scent. Cons. May require frequent reapplication for heavily soiled areas. Could leave a slight residue if not wiped down thoroughly. Turtle Wax Dash and Glass Interior Cleaner, a dual-purpose cleaning solution for car interiors, designed to effectively clean and maintain dashboard surfaces and glass windows. It boasts a streak-free formula for clear visibility, a non-greasy finish to prevent residue buildup, and often includes UV protection to safeguard against sun damage. Pros. Dual action formula cleans multiple surfaces. Ammonia-free for streak-free results. Easy application. Cons. May require multiple applications for heavily soiled areas. Scent may be too strong for sensitive individuals. Final thoughts. A clean car interior not only enhances the driving experience but also reflects pride in ownership. By following the steps outlined above and selecting the right products for your needs, you can maintain a clean and inviting environment inside your vehicle. So, roll up your sleeves, grab your cleaning supplies, and embark on the journey to a spotless car interior. Your passengers and your sanity will thank you for it.